Hi, I'm Connie, Motion by the River. Today we are doing day 5 of the Advent calendars for 2025. This is the box soft squares. This is from Missouri Star Quilting Company. Let's see, I should have probably gone through this because I need day 5. And I'm not seeing it. Kind of fun to see everything's in here. Ooh, oh, that is heavy. 7. Must be a freebie. 13, 15, 17, 8, 20. I'm going to have to sort these out. 22, 23, 16, 21. Oh, here we go. 5. I'm going to have to get these in some kind of order. So here is day 5 of the Soft Square Advent Calendar. Oh, a light box and accessory. Oops. Oh, that's nice. That comes off, and it's a little light box, so you can lay your fabric on top and like trace out a pattern. Got a USB cord, power button cover, and then directions. That's nice. Day 5. This is a small version of a very useful item that is working its way into more quilters' homes. This is portable and will be helpful on upcoming projects. I found this thing is easy to bump and turn off. So the little clear thing is a cover for the power button. Oh, okay. So you take this and put it over here so you don't actually accidentally turn it off. That is cute. And I haven't used a light box in quite some time, but they are great to have and to use. Okay, over here. I'm definitely going to get these sorted out. So now we're going to go to box 5 of the Advent calendar from Missouri Star Quilting Company. I did pull this one out, but I'm going to have to look. Is that 6 or is that 9? Okay, this is box 5. Oh, let's see what this is. I'm working at it. Oh. Oh, it's a coffee cup. Sewing mends the soul. So that's cute. You can never have too many coffee cups. I had another one from last year. Here's one that I got last year. Those are nice. I like that. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in the Advent calendar for day 5. And see you tomorrow. Thank you.